everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to join into a team on Gardenscapes. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video. First of all, open your Gardenscapes application and make sure that you're inside the main gameplay. After you are in, tap on the friends icon located at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Now, tap on the leaderboard option and select the top teams option from global or from your country, and simply go ahead and tap on one of the teams. Now tap on the join button in order to join into a team. But remember that in order to be able to join into a team, you must be at level 36 and higher. If you are not yet, you won't be able to join into a team. Joining to a team will get you free lives, free coins, and available team chat. So that was how you can easily join into a team on Gardenscapes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye. Till then.